Welcome to the 2026 Newmar Motorhome, the beginning of a new age of luxurious travel. You'll recognize the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail as soon as you see its eye-catching exterior, which comes in new design possibilities including steel, cobalt, and slate. These motorhomes, like the Spartan K2 with a Cummins ISL 8.9L turbocharged diesel engine producing 400 horsepower and 1,200 lb-ft of torque, or the Freightliner S2RV with a strong 360 HP engine, are built on sturdy chassis and are designed for assured, comfortable travel. Entering the cabin reveals an advanced control center with an HD 360 camera system, a Sony 10-inch dash radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Newmar's first-ever Comfort Drive adaptive steering. The 2026 Newmar Motorhome's interior is a monument to residential luxury on wheels, even outside of the cockpit. Every passenger will have a first-rate experience thanks to the Italian leather furnishings throughout, which provide alternatives for cozy lounge chairs or theater seats. A touch of classic elegance is added by European-style wooden cabinets with high-gloss or suede finishes and new color possibilities like chestnut. The sliding room's woven cloth and vinyl plank flooring, which replace the carpeting, provide a contemporary, low-maintenance living area. High ceilings, bay-like bonded windows for wide vistas, and multiple 15K BTU PenguinTM heat pump air conditioners for maximum climate management are further features of the roomy cabin. The 2026 Newmar is all about entertainment. For smooth design integration, the enormous Samsung 4K LED TV in the main living space is frequently mounted on a televator. There is plenty of room for laptops and mobile workstations for people who are digital nomads or who like to keep connected. The spacious living area and various theater seating arrangements make the perfect environment for gaming setups, whether it's a portable gaming station or a console on the main TV, even if a dedicated game room isn't a regular feature. While the optional Starlink internet system guarantees dependable access for all your digital demands, an outdoor entertainment center with a soundbar permits movie or game evenings outside. Enter the master bedroom, a cozy haven created for the utmost in rest. The majority of floor designs have a comfortable king-size bed, frequently with an adjustable support airbed and a pillow-top mattress. There are many clever storage options available, such as safes, shoe storage, and lit wardrobes with cedar paneling, which guarantee that everything you own has a home. Usually placed across from the bed, a 43 or 50-inch Samsung 4K LED TV puts entertainment at your reach. Many versions come with the option of a stacked two-piece Splendide washer and dryer in the closet area of the bedroom for increased convenience. The 2026 Newmar Motorhome's bathrooms were created with both elegance and functionality in mind. A bath-and-a-half design is available on several models, offering a full, opulent rear bath in addition to a handy midship half bath. Large 40 by 30 or 40 by 32-inch showers with skylights and cathedral ceilings for extra height and an airy sensation are common features of the whole bathrooms. There is plenty of room for toiletries thanks to linen drawers, big vanities with in-mirror lighting, and extremely polished solid surface counters. Features like the Chinook dual loop heat with continuous hot water and the Aqua Miser shower system enhance the experience and guarantee a spa-like atmosphere while traveling. The 2026 kitchen with its top-notch home equipment that make food preparation simple. Newmar is a gourmet's paradise. There is plenty of room for food in a big household refrigerator, usually a 21.6 cubic feet Bosch or a Samsung 3-door. A 30-inch Samsung convection microwave with an air fryer function and an all-electric portable induction cooktop or Bosch recessed mount induction cooktop make cooking simple. Generous prep room is provided by solid surface counters, and a spacious pantry with pull-out shelves guarantees that all of your kitchen necessities are kept in order. A stainless steel dishwasher that fits in a drawer is an option for increased convenience.